What's going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a whole unboxing of the AirLift 3P system. I ordered this from BA Drivers. I don't know if you can tell from the shirt. Good quality shirt, check them out. But yeah, so I'm just going to start with this kind of smaller box. I have no idea what is in like all of this. So I'm just going to go from there. Everything is new, ordered from badrivers.com. Except for the bags and the performance shocks. I actually found someone on the Audi forums, which is a great place to check out stuff, and I found the whole suspension, like the bags and the shocks, for a really good price with only like 2,000 miles on it is what he said. And when I opened the box for the first time and inspected them, they were like, looked brand new, looked like they had never been used. So I will bring those out a little later, but we're gonna start with these three kind of like, I got the smaller box and I have two really big ones which are a little heavy, but I'll put those up here and open those for you guys. Starting with the smaller box. It looks like it's beaten up, thrown around on the plane or whatever, or the truck, who knows. All right, nicely wrapped. Okay, it literally looks like nothing's in here. Oh, perfect. This is the water trap. This is actually extra. I think it was like $20 or $30, but definitely worth it because you're gonna eventually need one of these so that any of the water that gets into the air tank, it gets trapped in here and doesn't go through your management system and damage your management. And that stuff, or that little like thing, is really expensive. So that is that, and check valve, I think. That's just so air doesn't go back through the system. Box. Oh yeah. All right, it's the big boy here. Let's see. Okay. My guess is the compressor's in one of these. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas. 2 boxes in one big box, that's interesting. Oh, we got a piece of paper here. Parts list. Might be a good idea to kind of like check off things as you use them, or no, before you use them. That way you know what you have. Make sure you have everything. Let's see what's in this guy. Okay. Oh, would you look at that? Another box. Little box. This says, here's all the lines. I'm just gonna leave those in there but yeah, here's all the lines. And that goes into the harness. Basically all that for laying it out inside the car. Boom, boom. Cool. And what is this one? Ooh, this is like a fancy box. This is all black and shiny. So this guy has to be the management and probably the controller. Woo, 3P. Coming for you, Alex. Oh, we got some stickers. Only reason I bought this thing for the stickers. Did I get a t-shirt? I hope I got a t-shirt because I really want one. All right. There's the management. This thing's like actually pretty bulky. There it is. AirLift Performance. Coming at you, boys. It's like really nice. Nice solid piece of metal. It's like a freaking brick. Alright. And then, so I'm guessing, that little box right there is a controller. What's this? I don't know, it just looks like some more wires. Or lines. Here's the controller. Fancy little chocolate bar. There's that. Ooh, so excited. Can't wait to not scrape on all these driveways. I think that's pretty much it for this one. I'm gonna wanna take a sick photo with this, so I'll slide this back on. All right. In there. Oh, done. Another box. Oh, no, that's not the t-shirt. Some hardware. It's like fittings for all the lines. There it is, shiny chrome compressor. Sick. I'm gonna leave this in here just because I don't want to scratch it. Oh my gosh, well, I wonder what this is. This is all boxed really well. It's like, oh, a box inside of a box. I'm gonna have a lot of leftover cardboard after this. Maybe I'll make like a cardboard wide body kit. That'd be cool. Whoa, there it is. Oh, I'll let you to see from. Hold on. Oh, yes! Oh, I'm so excited. Now I just gotta figure out where to mount this thing. Comment down below on some paint schemes because it's raw and I'm gonna have to paint this thing because I'm not gonna leave it silver. I kind of want to make it like a beer can because that kind of would be funny, but then again that like creates a bad image, so maybe I'll do like chapstick or something, I don't know. Alright, I gotta put this back. Okay, what's left? Oh, bags. Bags and shocks. Wait, I didn't get a t-shirt. Oh, I'm calling AirLift. That's messed up. They singled me out because I didn't order it from them. Anyway, bags. There's just some dirt on them, but not a big deal. I'm probably gonna do a lot worse. Let's see. Shocks. That's the front struts, I guess. Where we at? Alright, so that is it for the unboxing. Now it is time to install it all. I don't know what I'm doing, but YouTube helps. And all these cardboard boxes out of the way, I will be able to kind of get started on this today. Look for the next video in a couple days, and it is gonna be kind of showing, not really a DIY, not like totally step-by-step on how to install this, but it will kind of be a general process on how to do it. So look for that. It's gonna be pretty entertaining. I'm gonna have Alex come over. He actually doesn't know I have bags, so I'm gonna surprise him and have him kind of help me open some boxes. I'm gonna put the air tank in one of them and he's gonna open it and he's gonna freak out. It's gonna be hilarious. So I'll try to get that today for you guys. So while I'm kind of waiting for Alex to get out of school, I'm just gonna go ahead and start removing the suspension in the rear. Take out these shocks up in here and the springs, which are kind of hard to see, but they're somewhere back in there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna remove the rear suspension and on both sides, and then get the front jacked up and then do the same on the front. Alright, so here comes Alex. I think he's starting to suspect what I bought because he just FaceTimed me and he was like freaking out. Here he comes. Good morning.
I hate you. I actually hate you.
Good morning.
You know that? You're
Just
like,
come here.
No, I hate you.
Just come here.
think I don't know.
You have no idea.
I do know.
You have no idea. Hello, dog. Alright, can you just do me a favor? You just open that box.
Open this box.
Just open that box.
Just this box.
Yeah, this time.
Even though it says test pipes.
It does say test pipes, but open this box.
Is someone gonna jump out of me like a spider?
So? Wait, stare here. I think you can see it. There it is.
Oh my god. I hate you so much.
He just left.
No.
He's gone.
Hold on.
No, hold on.
Did you take this from my house? Is that what you did?
Yeah, I took it
Hold
from
on.
yours.
There's actually stuff in here.
No, open
Shut
it
the
up.
fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Somehow there's gonna be an exhaust in here. Like, I don't understand.
No, my supercharger is in there.
No, hold on. These are the stickers I have, you know?
Just one thing I'm missing though.
There's one
They
thing.
didn't give me a t-shirt.
I never got a t-shirt.
Oh.
You don't care. Because I thought you cared, but then I realized you don't care.
You fully thought I was going like ported blower, like all that.
No, you already beat me, so it didn't matter, you know? Like, there was,
I didn't need any more
there was
power.
no need. There it is, you know?
I'm gonna be lower than you.
The thing is, you are, because I hit my axles hit my frame.
Yeah.
On Subarus,
I'm gonna be
so.
scraping the ground on the freeway.
Wait, I'm actually pissed because your car is gonna blow up on Instagram.
That would be the air tank.
So.
You still don't believe.
Who do we talk to?
No.
Plug me in.
Scan it.
Plug me in
Scan it.
to your.
No, are you ready to bag? Don't spray that anywhere. Ew.
Oh, it's in my mouth.
Ew.
Okay, hold on.
See, all I can think about is where am I putting my controller?
Oh my god, it's actually in my mouth. It's actually in my mouth. We have to do like a sick ass setup.
All right, so now we're just gonna kind of lay out the management system, make sure we have all the parts through that list like I did earlier, and just kind of lay everything out, make sure that I'm ready for where I wanna place like the compressor and the tank and the management, and I'm gonna put most of it down below, but I'm gonna have to have the tank sitting up here until I can get a smaller tank to fit down below. A little update for you guys. So I went to a local hardware store and I got kind of a large circular piece of wood, like a little disc. And basically I'm setting up my air system here. I'm mounting the, let's see, hold on, there we go. Mounting the compressor here, got the air tank nice and secure, and basically just plug in these holes because I only need 3 of them. But I have 5 altogether. There's one actually underneath down there. I'm gonna put my pressure release down there. These 2 are mounted. Maybe I'll take one out and add a second compressor later. But this compressor is gonna go in here. Boom. Got my water trap going through to my air line, which will go to my management system, which is gonna mount here. And when you open the trunk, you'll see it from this angle, and it'll look like that. And I'm gonna flip the AirLift little bracket here so it's like, you can actually read it. So it'll say AirLift, but all the wiring will be going straight back. And it's just gonna be like simple, nice, not look like trash, top stuff floating all over the place. And the nice thing is after I drill the hole there, in the trunk is this little like thing for where the battery is. So I basically mark that out, and then when it comes time to put it on, boom, screws on nice and tight, and it doesn't go anywhere. Yes, I already tested it. Sounds like a terrible idea. It might be, but it works. So I think that is gonna conclude today's video. The sun's starting to come down. My birthday was yesterday, so I'm having a bunch of people asking me to come and do some stuff tonight. So I'm gonna start fresh and early. If I wake up, 8 or 9 o'clock, we'll see. But this is gonna be finished tonight. I'm just gonna kind of finish plugging those holes, putting things into the tank, and then I'll have that sitting in the trunk. And then tomorrow, gonna get a fresh start, take apart the interior, and do all the suspension, and that will be on the next video, so look for that one, like I said earlier. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, I hope you guys enjoyed kind of going over all of the parts lists, and yeah, I'm excited. So thanks for watching, see you all on the next one.